UnitedStatesMarketing.org provides a review and demonstration of an AI-powered bulk cold email sender.
Everything is accessible from the dashboard. You can view the running sequences, along with logs of all sequences and replies sent from the emails, right on the central dashboard. It also displays the status of emails, such as replies, opens, and clicks, along with a click log. This shows how many emails have been clicked. In Outreach, you have sequence tasks, limit outbox, templates, report settings, and email senders. The template feature is quite effective. You can easily create new sequences using templates. In the inbox, you can view incoming emails and connect your Google account and Outlook to sync your Google Calendar and Outlook calendar. Let's examine this sequence. Within the sequence, you have an Outreach sequence. You can create a new sequence by clicking on the Create New Sequence button. You have 4 options to create a sequence. You can choose Blink GPT Assisted or Blink GPT Personalized. Alternatively, you can start from scratch or use a template. Let's proceed with using a template. There are various templates available, such as the VC template for job postings, which includes sequences of 2 or 3 emails in parallel automation. Similarly, there are other templates available, like those for fundraising, reconnecting with lost clients, winning back at-risk customers, marketing to buyers with pending invoices, role-based sales, and IT buyers. Select a template that fits your needs. Now, let's explore the job posting template. There are 3 emails scheduled to be sent, with an interval of 22 days. You'll need to add a lead source, and then everything will be set. This automation will begin automatically. The initial email is a Signal job posting template. You can also edit this email, and after a delay of 2 days, the new email will be sent. A follow-up email will be sent, and then after another 2 days, a new email will be sent. You can add a lead by clicking on the Add Lead button. Since we haven't created a list yet, we won't create a lead now. Instead, let's take a look at other templates. These templates are quite useful and save a lot of time. When building automation from scratch, you're creating segments from scratch. This process takes much more time. However, using a template is time-saving. And you can see that all the templates are well-structured and contain many details. Creating one template requires a lot of effort, but you get about 10 to 15 templates in the account. And you can view logs, check stepwise status, view status, and save and schedule the sequence. You need to include a source block, and you can also add new blocks. Everything in the templates is editable, allowing you to customize them according to your needs, and you can use the sequence. In the Sequence tab, you'll see folders owned by an archive. In the Outbox, you'll see all your outgoing emails. In the List section, you can view all the lists. You can make new lists and view tags in the Tags section. You can create new tags by clicking on Create New Tags with Sequence, which will take you to the Sequence page. In the Reports section, you'll see the performance of your different sequences and campaigns. You can click on Get Logs to retrieve logs for specific campaigns and sequences. This is the calendar for your scheduled emails, where you can see which email is scheduled for which day. In the Templates section, you can view all the templates. You can click on the Create New button to create a new template and reuse it anytime you want. In the Email Senders section, you can see your connected emails categorized by error, connecting, connected, warm up, and active status. You can link unlimited emails and adjust your signature, warm-up links, and custom domains in the settings. You can change everything in Manage Your Settings. Within the inbox, you'll find the Messages section, along with options for Google Calendar and Outlook. You can connect your own Google Calendar and Outlook to begin syncing everything. Now, let's create another sequence, but this time we'll use Blink GPT to do so. First, you'll need to name your Blink GPT and establish a template for the sequence. I'm going to create this for applying to a PhD program. Many students find the process of applying for a PhD and writing emails to various professors, along with follow-up emails, to be quite time-consuming. However, using a cold email approach can streamline this process. By crafting a specific email template for reaching out to professors, you can efficiently manage your communications. You can name this template "Applying for PhD in Business Offer" to keep it organized and easily accessible. What are you offering? To start, you need to write the subject line of your email. After that, compose the main body of the email. Once you've done that, you can simply click on Improve with Blink GPT, and Blink GPT will enhance your email for you. So write the subject in subject. I am writing that to apply for the post of PSD and CFD and FEM, and in the main body of email, you have to write all the details about the email, that why, what post you are applying for, whom you want to send these email addresses, and what are your qualifications. What are your key points? What are your strong points? What are your weak points, and everything you have to include in the details. By using Blink GPT, I can enhance the email content, adding additional elements to make it more compelling. This is the email crafted by Blink GPT. Just click on Create Sequence with Blink GPT, and it will generate a sequence. We've only drafted one email, but the sequence will include multiple emails. You'll see the first email sent after 2 days, the second email after another 2 days, and the third email following that. These 3 emails are distinct and are well suited for writing a cold email to a specific professor, increasing the likelihood of receiving replies. Connect leads from the list. 2 lists available. I'm connecting this demo list, and as you can see, the starting point is connected, making this sequence ready to run. Simply click on Save and Schedule, and it will begin running. You need to add email addresses to the leads list, as emails will be sent to those specific leads. To create a new list, just click on the New List button, and you can easily set up a new list. Within the list, you have various options, such as starting folders owned by an archive list. You can also archive a list, or create a new one by simply clicking on Create New List and adding email addresses in CSV format. Alternatively, you can link a Google Sheet URL, which you can edit anytime, and it will automatically update in the list. When adding leads, there are 4 steps: lead source, map, verify, and details. First, you add the lead source, either by uploading a CSV or via Google Sheets. You can download sample files to see how to format the data, including email addresses and positions. After editing the link, you can verify if the email is valid. Then you'll receive the details.